In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your privacy and security settings on Telegram's web platform. Whether you're an active user or just getting started, ensuring these settings are configured correctly can significantly impact your online safety. So let's dive straight into the process. First, open your browser and head over to https://web.telegram.org. Once you're on the Telegram webpage, look toward the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a three-line menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a list of options. From this list, you'll want to select the Settings tab. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to configuring your privacy and security preferences. Upon entering the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security. This is crucial, as these settings control who can contact you and see your personal information. Let's focus on adjusting key settings to safeguard your privacy. Start by setting your phone number to nobody. This means that no one will be able to see your phone number, adding a layer of anonymity to your profile. Next, consider your last seen and online visibility. You can choose Nobody if you prefer complete privacy or My Contacts if you want some of your friends to see this information. For added security, set your profile photo visibility to My Contacts. This ensures that only people you know have access to your profile picture. Moving on to forwarded messages, make sure to disable the Link to My Account option. This prevents others from tracing your forwarded messages back to your profile. When it comes to who can add you to groups and channels, set this option to My Contacts only. This limits random or potentially harmful people from adding you to unwanted groups. As you continue to scroll down, you'll notice the option for two-step verification. Enabling this feature is a smart move, as it allows you to add an additional password for extra security. This ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone else obtains your password. Check the Active Sessions setting, which displays all live sessions of your account. Ensure that only your devices are logged in and promptly log out of any unknown devices to prevent unauthorized access. Be vigilant when joining groups or channels by always verifying links before accepting them. Scammers often entice users into joining fake groups, especially those related to cryptocurrency. To protect your assets, never share your private wallet keys or seed phrases in any Telegram chat. These are critical components of your financial security and should be kept confidential at all times. With these settings adjusted, you'll have taken significant steps toward ensuring a more secure and private experience on Telegram. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to bolster your online safety. Stay vigilant and see you next time.